Hello, scholars. Welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 4 of Fundations. We are ready to introduce 2 new letters and sounds today. Are you ready? Okay. Our first letter today is going to be the letter C. The letter C is our first letter. Are you ready? C makes a sound like C, cat, k. C, cat, k. Very good. Our next letter is O. O. O, octopus, ah. O, octopus, ah. Okay, now it's time for you to say them with me. Are you ready? Here we go. C, cat, k. C, cat, k. O, octopus, ah. O, octopus, ah. Great job. Those are our 2 new letters. We are now going to practice the ah sound again because the ah is on a pink card. The letter O is a vowel, just like yesterday's I and U was a vowel. So we're going to practice the ah sound, and then we're going to practice our I and our U with our other 2 sounds as well. Here we go. We're using our poster for this. Are you ready? We're going to start with our ah sound since that was the sound that we learned today. Here we go. O, ah, octopus. Let's try that again. Ready? O, ah, octopus. Great job stretching the sound. Now let's review yesterday's sounds. We're going to start with the letter I. Here we go. Ready? I. Itch. I. Itch. Great job. And now we're going to do our letter U. Here we go. U. Up. U. Up. Really good job stretching those sounds out, scholars. This is going to help us when we are learning how to read. Okay, we've practiced the sounds. Now let's see if we can practice writing. I'm going to show you first, and then you will do it with me by skywriting. Here we go. My first letter was the letter C. I'm going to practice the letter C by using my airplane line and my grass line. So I'm going to start on my airplane line and go around until I get to my grass line. That is the letter C. Here I go again. Watch me. I'm starting at my airplane line and I'm going to go around and back down to my grass line. The letter C. Now it's your turn to try. Let's skywrite together. Ready? Fingers up in the air and start at the airplane line. Go around down to the grass line. Great job. Here we go again. Ready? Fingers in the air, up to the airplane line, and around to the grass line. Great job. You made the letter C. Let's do the letter O now. Ready? Again, I'm going to start at my airplane line and go around to the grass line, just like the letter C. But now I'm going to come back up and meet that line up at the airplane line again. Here we go. I'm going to do it again. Ready? Airplane line. Come down and around to the grass line and back up to the airplane line. That is our letter O. All right, your turn to do it with me with the skywriting. Are you ready? Start at the airplane line and we are going to go down and around to the grass line and back up to the airplane line. Great job. Let's try it again. Airplane line, down and around to the grass line and back up to the airplane line. That is so good. I want you to continue practicing your skywriting, and you can even practice on paper to get better. Remember to pay attention to the airplane line and the grass line. You don't want to be above or below those lines. Do your very best, scholars. Okay, now let's see if we can think about a few more sounds, a few more words to start with the sounds C and O, K and ah. Let's start with C. Are you ready? I've got one. What about cowboy? C, cowboy, K. That's one. Can you think of another one? Think about it. What about the letter O? What's something else that starts with the ah sound? I've got it. I love these. What about Otter Pops? Otter Pops. Yes, they are so yummy, Otter Pops. Otter Pops starts with the letter O. Can you think of some more C and O words? Think about them. I want you to think really hard and have some ideas when you come to class today. Can't wait to see you. Have a great one, scholars.